Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix the ads.txt status not found. So as you can see here, I applied for Google AdSense and it's showing this warning. If it happens to yours or not, it's ads.txt file not found. First, go to your WordPress admin dashboard. From the sidebar, go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for File Manager. Install and activate the plugin. Once it's activated, click on the New File Manager menu in your dashboard. In the File Manager, right-click inside the root directory and select Create New File. Name it exactly ads.txt or ads.txt. Now right-click on the new file and select Edit. Go back to your AdSense dashboard and copy the ads.txt code provided for your site. Now paste that code into the ads.txt file in File Manager, then click Save. Let's check again. Go to your browser and type yourdomain.com/ads.txt. This time the code should be visible. That means it worked. Now just wait for a few hours or up to 24 hours. Google AdSense should update status and remove the ads.txt not found warning. And that's it. Your ads.txt file is now alive and the issue is resolved. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.